Addiction is a buzzword. It's thrown around a lot these days, and chances are you know someone whose life has been affected by some sort of addictive habit.
But as I found out, there's an addiction that just doesn't get talked about as much as it probably should, and it's causing some surprising damage. Therapist Caroline Cranshaw is seeing increasing numbers of young men with erectile dysfunction.
The first thing I ask them is, so, how much porn do you watch? You know, and they're just... And I've yet to have a man who has this issue that isn't compulsively watching porn.
Science backs her theory up, although the research hasn't been easy. So, what does happen to your brain when you watch porn?
The dopamine reward pathway lights up. There's a part of the brain that fires up when we do pleasurable things. When people develop an addiction, that system becomes sensitized.
An overload of dopamine progressively weakens the nerve signals that would normally produce an erection. Eventually, the erection doesn't happen without increasingly extreme doses of pornography. Many try to treat it with drugs like Viagra.
Those drugs don't work on the brain circuits that the problem's actually being caused by. They're working on the blood flow. They can get it up with porn, but when it comes to having sex with a woman or, you know, whatever taste they have, it's just not happening.
The Sexual Reboot program works because you tackle the cause of the suffering and relapses that are the result of fighting your impulses. You have created associations and rationalizations around porn, masturbation, desire, and escape. With Sexual Reboot, you can understand the nature of porn and dopamine addiction. Realize the differences between a genuine state of arousal and a craving. Analyze and deconstruct the reasons why you use porn. Develop alternative and far more effective coping strategies. And establish a positive outlet for your sexual desires instead of trying to repress it. By shifting your perspective and achieving this level of self-awareness, it becomes easy to just stop doing it. You won't need to fight your impulses with willpower because once you change your beliefs, your behavior automatically changes. And your desire to avoid porn can then far outweigh your desire to indulge in it.